how to delete your Stash app account permanently. So in here, the very first thing that you want to do is sell all of your stocks and ETFs in the app and transfer the cash balance to your linked bank account. So in order to do that, you'll need to get to your application just like this, and then from there, what are we gonna do is simply tap on my stash just here, right? So in here, you'll be able to find all of your all of your stash stocks, and then from there, in order to transfer it, simply tap on transfer, and you can go along with the process of how you will be able to transfer all of your cash balance to your linked bank account. Then from there, what are we going to do is simply get to your home option right here. You'll be able to see a gear-like icon on the top right corner around here. Simply tap on that one, and then you can get to the subscription, manage subscription, and cancel all of your monthly fees. After doing that, again, go back, then you'll be able to find the option of close my account under the settings, and then from there, simply tap on that option in order to permanently lock and close your account. So that is exactly how you'll be able to delete your Stash app account permanently. So if you guys do have any further queries, please let me know in the comment section down below, and that will be it for this video.